In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to 2v2 in Sorcerer's Battleground. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In order to do 2v2 duels in Sorcerer Battlegrounds, you will have to go over here to the ranked lobbies. As you can see, they have a spot dedicated to 2v2 duels. You can invite a friend to do 2v2 duels over there, and afterwards, all that you have to do is join. If you don't know how to reach this area, all that you have to do is first go to the main lobby of Sorcerer Battlegrounds. And once you arrive here, just look at the top left corner of the screen. There's going to be a bunch of options, a bunch of buttons, and right next to where you change characters here, you will be able to click this sword icon and then join ranked. You will load into the ranked lobby, and once you are inside, you are ready to play. So like I said, first you will have to invite your friend. So you can go over here and type the name of whoever it is that you want to invite. Once they are properly attributed to you for the duel, you will be able to walk over here and then join. Unfortunately, due to the way that I'm recording this video, I will not be able to demonstrate this process. As you can clearly see, it's telling me to get a teammate, and because I have to send an invite to be teleported over there with my friend, I won't be able to do it. But basically, after you include their name, both of you will be teleported, just like these two people over here, locked inside here, and after someone else does it, they will be able to perform a 2v2 between themselves. So all that you have to do is walk over here, type out the name of your friend. You can literally just use your mouse, click this, and then use your keyboard. It's as simple as this, and then press enter to send the invite. Once you have properly invited, you will be transported over here, and then you can start the 2v2 duel. This is useful if you want to get the titles attributed to winning these duels in the ranked lobby, and all that you have to do is first go through this window, and then you will be transported over. I hope I was able to help you on how to 2v2 in Sorcerer Battlegrounds. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.